I got another one for you. There's a tool that lets you design custom packaging in minutes, even if you're not a pro. It offers a wide variety of templates for everything from boxes to bottles, allowing you to upload your own logos and designs. You can also tweak the size, the color, and material to suit your needs. Plus, see a 3D preview before sending it off for printing. It's perfect for anyone looking to create amazing packaging designs quickly and affordable. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hit it! I'm talking about a platform that empowers you to create stunning custom packaging designs with ease, providing everything from templates to realistic 3D mock-ups. This powerful tool empowers businesses and designers to elevate their brand's packaging without the need for advanced design skills. This is Pacdora. I have two ways today, but Pacdora has many ways to help you make some side money. The first way is offering custom packaging services to local businesses. So many small businesses often need professional eye-catching packaging to help them stand out, but they might lack the budget to help hire a full-fledged design team or agency. That's where you and Pacdora comes in. It's not hard to start either. Just reach out to local businesses like coffee shops, bakeries, boutique stores, food vendors, and event planners. These businesses often require custom packaging for their products such as coffee cups, takeaway boxes, product bags, and gift boxes, but may rely on generic packaging due to cost concerns. This will work since Pacdora allows for custom packaging designs without the need for expensive softwares or even hiring a professional design team. You can offer businesses affordable solutions yourself. You could charge on a per design basis or offer deals for multiple packaging types. Offering your services for cheap will convince those small businesses to hire you when they want to redesign their products without going broke. With Pacdora's 3D mock-up capabilities, you can show your clients how the final packaging will look before any money is spent on physical printing. You can present these mock-ups to local businesses during meetings or via email, helping them visualize that final result. Mock-ups make it easier for clients to commit to the project because they can see the design's impact on the product's branding. This business idea works a few ways on the money part. You can charge local businesses a flat fee per design, like about $200 per customer packaging design, or offer a subscription-based model where they pay you monthly to refresh their packaging as needed. By providing both designs and production services, you can create a recurring income stream. Either way, Pacdora can help you get the bag by helping you design it. The second way Pacdora can help you make money is through print-on-demand packaging for small product-based businesses. Print-on-demand packaging is an ideal side hustle for entrepreneurs who want to offer custom packaging designs without managing inventory or upfront costs. For example, there are many pop-up shops who would benefit greatly from a collaboration between you and Pacdora. This is how you'll get started. You'll design various product types such as cosmetics or candles using Pacdora's software. You can use Pacdora's templates or start from scratch to put together visually appealing designs. Once you've created your packaging designs, partner with a print-on-demand service that specializes in packaging. There's a lot of great choices that'll let you upload your designs and handle the production of customer packaging based on orders. The key benefit is that you don't need to maintain inventory. Each packaging item is printed when a business orders it, leaving you more time to create designs and gather clients. This business approach is different since you'll be approaching people digitally instead of locally. For instance, small online businesses on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade, they might want branded boxes, labels, or mailers. Now, once a client chooses a design, you can upload the design to your POD partner who will print and ship the packaging directly to the client. Your role remains focused on creating and marketing the design, while the printing and shipping are handled by the POD service. Now let's talk money. You can charge for your design services or mark up the cost of the print-on-demand packaging, creating a profit margin. For example, if it costs $1.50 to print a custom box through a POD partner, you could charge $3, making a profit on each order. As orders increase, you can automate much of the process, turning it into a passive income. Both approaches can generate a steady side income, and with Pacdora's easy-to-use platform, you don't need extensive design experience to get started. The flexibility to cater to either local businesses or online sellers offer diverse revenue opportunities. So let's check out the pricing. All right, Pacdora. Now, the Personal Pro, $29 a month. Not bad. And even better, the yearly, $17 a month. What a big savings. Okay. Now, look at all the different, what it includes. Oh, the Personal Pro includes a lot of awesome features. Unlimited cloud content storage, removal of all watermarks and copyright restrictions. Very important. Friendly customer service support. Love that. And wow, look at all the different files. 2K video rendering files and the 4K mockup rendering. That's the mockup files I was speaking about. Those are the ones I'm very interested in. Wow. And they have also advanced features such as 3D design tools. I love it. Wow. A lot of great features. So you might want to check that out. And so many templates. I love it. Pacdora, you're awesome. Don't forget to check out my discount code, AHA06. And don't forget to check it out in the link down below. Come on, you better use it. Let's do this. Come on, Pacdora. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be hustling with Pacdora. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.